Xiaomi is about to launch a brand new smartphone in conjunction with their 10-year anniversary. Realme Malaysia, on the other hand, has introduced a new variant of its budget C11 and it now comes with more RAM. To find out more, remember to keep watching. Xiaomi is turning 10 today and they are launching a special edition smartphone with top-end specs to celebrate the occasion. Xiaomi CEO Lei Jun has confirmed that the new device will be called the Mi 10 Ultra for global markets and Mi 10 Supreme Edition for its domestic market. Ahead of the global unveiling, several leaked photos of the new Mi 10 device reveals a massively upgraded quad camera setup that offers 120x zoom. The Mi 10 Ultra is also expected to run on a Snapdragon 865 Plus processor with possibly up to 6GB of RAM and 512GB of storage. It is also speculated that it will come with a 120Hz AMOLED display, which is a major upgrade over the current Mi 10 Pro that pushes a 90Hz refresh rate. Besides the leaked images, it appears that the new Mi 10 Ultra will come with periscope telephoto camera that's capable of pushing up to 120x zoom in digital. That's higher than the 100x space zoom offered by the Galaxy S20 Ultra and 100x max zoom by the Huawei P40 Pro. So what do you guys think of this smartphone? Do let me know in the comments below. Realme Malaysia has introduced a new variant of its budget C11 smartphone that comes with slightly more RAM than before. The Realme C11 was first introduced in June with 2GB of RAM and 32GB of storage, and they are now offering a new variant that comes with 3GB of RAM. The Realme C11 with 3GB of RAM and 32GB of storage is priced at RM479 in Malaysia. That's actually RM50 more than the 2GB RAM version, but you still get the same amount of storage. The device is available in two color options. There's the mint green and the pepper grey. According to Realme, the device will be available through its offline stores on the 15th of August 2020. If you prefer to get it online, the first sale is taking place on the 28th of August on Lazada Malaysia, and they are bundling a Realme Buds 2 for free. To encourage Malaysians to travel locally, Malaysia Airlines has kicked off its Kids Fly, Stay Free campaign, and they are providing up to 60% off on holiday packages. Families can book under the promo from now until the 2nd of September, and it is applicable for the travel period from now until the 31st of January 2021. Under this promotion, a child aged between 3 to 11 years age or infant aged 2 years and above may fly and stay for free. However, it is only limited to a maximum of 1 child per booking. According to the fine print, for bed and breakfast arrangements, breakfast charges for children may apply and it will be included in the price. In addition, taxes are also applicable to the free seats and accommodation for kids. According to the flight carrier, the package price from Flight Plus 3 days 2 night stay starts from RM389 to Kota Kinabalu, RM189 for Johor Bahru, RM239 to Kuantan, RM249 to Langkawi, RM239 to Penang, and RM189 to Kuala Lumpur from other destinations. The package includes complimentary on-board meals, 40kg baggage allowance, and free seat selections. If you're still holding on to your old Huawei or on a smartphone, Huawei Malaysia is now having a service campaign where you can enjoy part replacement and service at a special price. This is offered for out-of-warranty devices, and you can replace the LCD screen for as low as RM99, the back cover from RM69 or the main board from RM159. If you're replacing the screen or main board, you can top up RM9 to replace the back cover. The service campaign uses 100% genuine spare parts, and it comes with a 90-day warranty for the replaced parts. The price of parts depend on the model you are using. For example, the screen costs RM99 for models like the Huawei Nova 2i, Honor 7X, and Honor 9 Lite. It will also cost as high as RM199 for the P9 Plus and Mate 10 Pro. For the main board, it could cost as high as RM229 for the P10, P10 Plus, Mate 9 Pro, and Mate 10 Pro. The campaign will run from the 12th of August until the 1st of October 2020. You can learn more on the Huawei One Price repair page. Thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to like this video if you liked it, and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and also click on the notification bell icon so you will be notified whenever we post a brand new video. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!